We'll continue with surface area and volume. So exercise, we are continuing the same one. That is 13.2, question number 6. Okay. Exercise 13.2, question number 6. Solid iron pole consists of a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Radius 8 centimeter. Find mass of the pole. Find mass of the pole. Given that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. Okay, so you have to make two cylinders. There is a cylinder okay, diameter is here 2r 24 centimeter. The r will be 24 by 2, 12 centimeter. This is your r. Then height. This is height. Suppose h equals to 220 centimeter. H equals to 220 centimeter. Surmounted by another cylinder. Like this. Okay, whose height is small h. Small h equals to 60 centimeter. Small r. Small r equals to small r 8 centimeter. What will be volume of this pole? Volume of the pole equals to volume of bigger cylinder plus volume of smaller cylinder. Volume of bigger cylinder, volume of smaller cylinder. So what will be bigger cylinder? Pi r square h pi small r square h. Pi is common. R square h plus R square h. This will be the volume now. V. Okay. Now density is given. 1 centimeter cube has 8 gram mass. Means density. Okay, you find out this. Find out how much will come out. Density equals to 8 gram per centimeter cube. Is told 1 centimeter cube weighs 8 gram mass. So density is, this is called density, mass for volume. Then you want to find out the mass. Volume into density. So volume means this V you will find out. Density is 8 gram. V value will come from where? V will come from here. Put the value, find out, put here. That will be gram. Okay? Complete it. Homework. Complete this. Then you go to question number 7. Question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone question number 7. A solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter, standing on a hemisphere, of radius 60 centimeter. That means cylinder and hemisphere, cone and hemisphere has same radius, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water, such that it touches the bottom. It touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter, height is, if the radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter, height is 180 meter. Height is 180 centimeter. Long question, but try to see. First, what you have is cone is on a hemisphere like this. So its radius is same. That means your R is same. Height of the cone H, this is R. H equals to 120 centimeter. This one is placed on a cylinder. Placed on a cylinder. Okay, obviously the water will come out. This water will come out. The water will fall out or not? How much of water will come out? Now the water comes out is equals to volume of this solid. So now you see what is volume of the this is tank or what? What is the name given here? Solid. Volume of solid. And so one more thing, here radius is also R, 60 centimeter, both are same, but its height is 180 centimeter. Which one? This is the height. Height of the cylinder is 180. The volume of solid equals to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r cube. Take common is how much? 1/3 pi r square common h plus 2. Let's put the values. How much will get? 1/3 22/7 60 into 16 h 120 2 into 60. Nothing gets, and this gets cancelled here 20. Okay, so how much it will be? 20 means 00. 12 to the 24. 12 to the 24, 26 by 7 into this is 120, 240. I'll not do calculation. Now volume of cylinder. Pi r square h 22/7. R is also 60. 60 into 60. H is 180. So volume of the water left out equals to volume of the cylinder minus volume of the solid. Volume of the water left out volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Say always there is a technique. This is, let's keep it like this. 22 into 20 into 60 by 7 into 240. See the technique, I'll tell you what you have to do. Don't multiply. This is 22 by 7, 60, 180 minus 22 by 7, 20, 60, 240. Okay. So always common if you take, that is easy. Common, look at 22 by 7, 60, 22 by 7, 60 common. First you take out that. 22 by 7, 60, you take out. Here is left out 60 into 180 minus 20 into 240. Still you can take common. What common? Look at here. 60 is here. Because 60 into 4. 20 is also here. 20 into 9. Always do a calculation technical way. That means 60 and 20 can be counted. Here is 60, 20. Here is also 60, 20. Means you can take out. 22 by 7, 60, 60 into 20 common. 60 to 20 common 9. 60 into 20 common 4. So this is 22 by 7, 60, 60, 20 into 5. In place of this is also 3.14. 22 by 7, 3.14 is same. Why I am writing? Because so many zeros, you can remove the decimal. 60, 60, 100. This 100 and this will be simplified after this multiple digits. 2 zeros. So 314. 314 into 60 into 60. This will multiply 5 centimeter cube. Okay. Then question number 8. A spherical glass vessel, has a cylindrical neck, cylindrical neck, 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, by measuring the amount of water it holds, The child finds it to be child found it to be 345 centimeter. Check whether she is taking correct. Check whether she is correct. Take pi equals to 3.14. Okay, let's see then. Cylindrical neck 8 centimeter, 2 centimeter diameter. Cylindrical neck. This is 2 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. Okay. Like this. So you can say for cylinder height equals to 8 centimeter, 2r equals to 1 centimeter, sorry 2 centimeter, r is equal to 1 centimeter. And for sphere, r equals to how much it is given? R is given you diameter 8.5. 2r equals to 8.5. R equals to 8.5 by 2. Okay, volume of the jar. Volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. So what is volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. This is 2 by 3 pi. This is r cube. This r is different. Okay. So what you will take pi common? R square h, then 2 by 3 r cube. Pi, let's keep. This r is 1 square into 8. 2 by 3, 8.5 by 2, 8.5 by 2, 8.5 by 2. So you can cancel here. Pi, let's keep. We'll do at the last. Pi 8. This is 8.5. 8.5 divided by 12. 8.5. How much? This is 5 to 60, 72. 0.25, 8.5. Multiply 72.25 multiply 8.5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 10, 12, 1, 5 2 is 10, 11, 36. Okay, 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16, 42, 8 2 is 16 to 18, 8 7, 56, 57. 5 2 1 4 1 6. After decimal 3 digits. 6 1 4 1 2 5. 6 1 4 1 2 5 divided by 12. 6 1 4 6 1 4 1 2 5 divided by 12. 12 5 is 40. Sorry, 12 5 is 60. 1 4 1 12. 12 you got 2.1. 1 is 12. 9 2. 84. 6 5. 5 is 60. Approximately you are getting 3.14 into 8 plus 51 point. Look at, you round off, it is always easier. Two places. 175. 5 is half equal to half of 10. So add one number to this. This 17 will become 18. 3.14 into 59.18. 59.18. Okay. So round up. You want to make a small number. 3.1. 4 is less than 1. This is 59.9. You are rounding off up to 10th place. See the next digit more than half of 10, add 1 to this. Less than half of 10, don't add it. So 599 multiplied by 3.1. Nine after decimal 2 digits. 185.69 centimeter. So the answer is not correct because this is the correct answer. Therefore, the answer is not correct. Okay. This I wanted to show you just to have a technique to solve here. So this exercise is over. 13.3 we will do tomorrow.